Alright, so I've never painted chrome before, but we're going to do a chrome delete on this 2023 Silverado and paint it as the same color as this truck, which is ash metallic. And it's all because of this scuffed up corner right here. So I'm going to get this chrome bumper off and sand it down, and we're going to go from there and see how it turns out. Alright, so I got the bumper off and sanded down with 320 grit, and it was a bit difficult, but looks like it's good enough. Now I'm gonna spray some adhesion promoter all over it and use some body filler on this corner right here and get the rest of the scratches out. Now here's just a quick photo of the bumper primer, and here it is with base and clear, and it's about 6 in the evening here in my backyard, and it came out pretty good. I mean, didn't get any bugs flying into it or anything like that, so I'm excited to see tomorrow when I put it on how it's going to turn out. And here it is, back on the truck. That corner's fixed. It's pretty slick. I didn't have to rub it out, didn't have to color sand anything out of it. Just by itself it came out pretty good. And there you go, guys. That's how it looks, in case anybody was thinking to do this to their truck.